Welcome to a quick product walkthrough of Assure TotalView Insights for Agile. First, a few words about the TotalView product family. As an analytics platform for the enterprise, it provides a way to guide and help your development and testing initiatives, providing a single source of truth for all stakeholders. How does it work? Data from various source systems is extracted and transformed to a dedicated data warehouse that has been specifically designed as reporting friendly. From the warehouse, data is then visualized into a web-based reporting layer. Atlassian Jira is the #1 issue tracking system for development initiatives, making it highly popular in enterprise companies. While Jira provides good reports within a Jira project, there is a challenge for larger companies when it comes to obtaining insights, metrics, and key performance indicators or KPIs across the multiple development initiatives in the enterprise. This challenge is addressed by TotalView Insights for Agile, providing a much-needed analytic solution for keeping up to date with development initiatives progressing in multiple Jira projects at the same time. Let me introduce you to the user interface. The left side of the dashboard contains filters, such as Jira projects where we pull the data from. The filters allow you to quickly choose which Jira projects and releases or versions are in our report scope. The dashboard screens are divided into 3 categories. One aimed for management to have an overall view into multiple projects' progress, and 2 others for drilling down to details of release or epic contents and progress, all the way down to the list of Jira issues. The management dashboard screens are meant for managers who look over multiple development initiatives at the same time. We can see all projects we are pulling the data from and how many active versions are being worked on in these projects. On the top ribbon, you can see a list of versions or releases sorted by their end dates and their respective red, amber, green statuses. The metric below shows a normalized schedule versus scope and the active versions scattered along the timeline. The timeline has been normalized as percentage, where 0% represents the version start date and 100% represents the version's end date. The size of each version represents its size, whether by issues or story points. We expect our development initiatives to advance with their scope completion as their schedule advances along the line. It is easy to notice a large development initiative called Megaware 3.2 that has clearly fallen behind. Let's drill down by selecting it to understand what's going on in Megaware 3.2. You can see that once selected, the filters immediately show what Jira instance and what project Megaware 3.2 belongs to. We call this the power of gray, which relies on the associative model that quickly tells us the linkage between each entity. Megaware 3.2 has completed just above 40% of their scope, while over 80% of their schedule has elapsed. So the scope completion is well below the expected level at this point. To drill down further, let's go to the status view. Here we can see KPIs for the Megaware 3.2 release. For example, the average bug rate is above 50%, meaning that over half of all the issues resolved in this version have been bugs. This might indicate a quality problem, so let's drill down deeper. Switching to the progress dashboard, we have multiple ways to look at the data. We begin by looking at the project report while having the Megaware 3.2 release selected. We can see the scope burn up on the left and bug percentage rate on the right. A huge percentage of all the issues that have been closed in the last weeks have been bugs. Quite clearly, there's a quality problem in this particular release. Let's look at the version report to understand how we're doing by sprint. This graph shows the committed versus completed issues by sprint, and we can clearly see that we are not reaching the commitment set for each one of these sprints lately. Let's select a sprint to get a closer view. Again, we can see that the current sprint burndown is not progressing as expected. Another important aspect of Agile are epics. In the epic report, on the left, we have a list of epics. Let's select one of these epics to see the development status and progress of this epic. The epic details are above, including the overview, issue types, and the work progress. In the lower area, we can see percentages of issues grouped by their status: to do, in progress, and done. The epic analysis shows how many unestimated issues we have that do not have story points, how many cumulative planned issues we have in the epic, and how many cumulative completed issues we have for the epic. On the right-hand side, we can see the percentage of completion. Additionally, the issue analysis page shows an overview of the activities included in the epic and the cumulative flow diagram on the right. We can even drill down to the issue list, showing all issues in Jira assigned to this epic. In this view, it is easy to sort, filter, and export the issue list to Excel for further review. Assure TotalView Insights for Agile offers an enterprise-ready solution that will bring you value from day one. The solution is scalable and offers a wide variety of features. If you would like to learn more about this product, please give us an email to arrange a demo. Thank you very much for your interest.